Show Gammy how you can skip. Maddie, show Gammy how you skip. Skip for Gammy. Maddie, skip for Gammy. That's not skipping. Go down the hall and skip. Oh, you're skipping too fast. Oh, what'd you do? Read the story to Gammy.
Tape.
Oh, yeah, tape?
Yeah, tape. Yeah, tape.
Little tape?
Yeah.
Not big tape?
Yeah.
Big tape?
Yeah. Red tape, D. Red tape.
Where's the tape?
Yeah.
Is that what you're looking for?
Yeah.
Is it fixed?
Yeah. Red tape.
Mhm.
Red tape.
What happened to the book?
Boo.
Did it get ripped?
Boo.
Like boo-boo?
Yeah. Tape. Yeah. Boo.
Can you read Gammy the story?
No.
Why? Yes.
Tape. Tape.
You're just looking for the tape?
Yeah, tape. Yeah, tape.